So on the first problem, it says to keep up with rising commercial property taxes, a parking lot owner needs to raise the monthly parking rate of $135 or $130 by 25%. What will be the new monthly parking rate? So obviously, we have the base price of $130, and they are going to raise it 25%. So the first thing that comes to my mind is, what is 25% of 130? Which then goes into, oh, I need to find percent. Which remember, we always deal with, part over whole is equal to part percent over 100%. So we know it's 25% over 100% equals, what is the part we don't know of $130, right? Now, obviously, you guys could go ahead and cross multiply. But what I want you guys to understand is, when you cross multiply, you're multiplying, so it's x times 100. Then you're going to divide by 100 anyways, 100%. So the easiest thing that I would say a lot of times when you start doing this is, well, why don't we just divide by 100 on top and bottom right here? Because as long as I multiply or divide the same number to a fraction, it's going to produce an equivalent fraction. So when I do that, that becomes 1. And this becomes 0.25. OK? So basically, when I'm solving this, cross multiplication, x times 1 is just x. So therefore, 0.25 times 130 is going to give me what my percentage is. So I have 130 times 0.25. Now remember, when we're multiplying, we need to make sure we line up the decimal points, include our place values. And then here, I'm just going to have my 5 zeros here. 5 times 3 is going to be 15. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Then I include my placeholder. Another 3 more zeros. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Now I add up my rows, and I get 1, 2, 3, 12, 3. Now to determine where my decimal point goes, I add in all my place marks. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 25% of 130 is $32.50. But that's not what they're asking. They're not asking what is the percentage. They're asking what will be the new monthly parking rate when the original is increased. So that means I need to add this to my original. So I have original plus the increase. So I have $130 plus $32.50. That gives me $162.50, which is your answer, which I would hope and assume that we would all have in this class.